Rivian Automotive, a leading electric vehicle manufacturer, has secured an $827 million incentive package from the State of Illinois Department of Commerce and Economic Opportunity. This funding will facilitate the expansion of Rivian's plant in Normal, Illinois, focusing on plant expansion, infrastructure enhancements, and workforce development initiatives. In March, the facility announced the commencement of production for its highly anticipated midsize SUV. The R2 will offer a blend of performance, capability, and utility tailored for both adventurous trips and everyday use, underpinned by a versatile platform. Additionally, the existing plant will continue producing R1S, R1T, and commercial electric delivery vehicles, with facility updates set to begin soon. R.G. Scaringe, Rivian founder and chief executive officer, stated, "The support from the state will allow us to quickly bring our midsize SUV, the R2, to market and provide even greater consumer choice for EVs." Rivian is an American automotive manufacturer that develops and builds category-defining electric vehicles and accessories. Shares of Rivian Automotive trade on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol RIVN. For more information or to sign up for our free daily newsletter, visit greenstocknews.com.
Thanks for watching Greenstock News. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see daily Greenstock News videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.